is that? Why is it moving? Let's add more. It's moving more. Why does it look like that?
What the Sigma?
Why is it?
Why? Why is it pooping?
I saw that inside for a while.
Bro, it's literally eating. Yeah. Another cookie.
Why is there so much?
This is the biggest poop I've ever seen. Why is the conveyor belt pooping? Look. Bro.
The conveyor.
Look at the conveyor belt. Look at the literal conveyor belt.
No wonder why it keeps pooping. And look at the side. Look at that.
Look under the conveyor belt. How did it get there?
Let's go spawn more.
Bro, I know. I finally knew a glitch how to get up.
What is this? Where?
I got in. I got in the conveyor.
Oh.
Oh!
What
the?
Spawn more.
My game is lagging.
Look
Yo! Why is it pooping?
It
Should
gives.
not be doing that. Yeah. I just made one of that thing is. It's pooping a long bread.
It's pooping a long
Just
bread.
joking, it's a small bread.
Why is it pooping so much?
What are you even doing? The front farm is now useless.
Yeah.
I'll just
Like, look.
end it.
I am going to check out what it is have been. It's pooping lately. Oh look, it's trying. No.
A donut. A literal donut.
It pooped a literal big red.
It's now starting to lag for me.
Yeah, same. Let's add more.
Help me! Help me! Help me!
Yes.
What is it happening to us?
What is that? Release me! Release me!
It's not
Release me!
No, I'm gonna cut you into half.
Release me!
Oh,
That was that thing. Ah! Oh, look, it's pooping more. It's so pooping. It's pooping. It's pooping. It's pooping.
bread. But look.
Yeah, look. Hey, what's wrong with this?
We're never gonna break Roblox.
Oh, look, it's a cake. Let's go. It's pooping. Cake. It's pooping.
Another cake?
Yeah.
I got the idea.
It may be eating a lot of chocolate recently. It's pooping. It's pooping.
I'm gonna cut the poop.
It's
I'm gonna
pooping.
cut poop of the. Is it getting very laggy up there?
No.
For me, try to go down, dude. Fine.
Oh, it keeps pooping.
No.
How
no.
about you, Joy?
I don't wanna. No. Just press no.
I pressed no.
Bro,
Let's go check inside.
I don't think if it's possible anymore.
Yeah.
I got the idea.
It's pooping.
I'm gonna use that method. I got there.
Now push the poop so that it can poop.
Bro,
It's
but
poopy.
I got out.
Poopy.
Look at the
It's
look at the
poopy.
conveyor belt. What the Sigma? It's eaten up the top of the poo. Even a waffle.
Why is it even conveying here? What the Sigma? I got pinged.
That happens to everyone, by the way.
It already has been 5 minutes.
What?
It already has been 5 minutes.
So what?
That means this is 5 minutes that he has been in the bathroom. The conveyor belt has been pooping.
I should be number 1 here, dude. I will have the
That's
most
all
spices.
because of
Ouch! What's happening to our game, guys? What happened?
what happens if I leave.
Man.
No.
No! For everything, no. Keep this thing. Bro, just Chloe. Bro, look what. This is why it's pooping. Look at its mouth.
And look, there's a long bread.
Got it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it into
Domino.
domino. It turned into a 2. Bro, the game is glitching. We're gonna break the whole platform of Roblox. Totally not hacking. Bro, look where the other reds went. Bro, there's even a... How did the cookie want here? I guess this
No, it's the same one that flies.
Oh.
Yeah, why does it even multiply though? Like, look.
What about these ones? Do you know why they multiply? Because you cut them.
No, I mean they get another they get another they get another you know. Oh, look, they got the same part that you cut, even though it wasn't there yet.
Oh. Wait, look. Hide. Wait, what happened to our garden, guys? It's not a garden.
It's
Look at the
moving.
cake. Look at the croissant. Bro, look at everything.
Wow,
This is more bigger than the front.
this is like a conveyor belt diarrhea.
No. No. No.
Ooga booga.
Oh, dude, look at this.
Well,
We got the biggest thing. Well, bye bye.
no.
My golden knife fell. Well, my literal golden knife fell. I don't have a golden knife. I need to wait for 3 hours again.
Oh my god, look at this. Look at this, yo.
Let's check if the knife deals damage. Does it?
It doesn't.
Wait. So I can use this knife for a glitch.
It's pooping.
I did a glitch to get in. Oh! Finally got out of the conveyor, but it's moving.
Okay.
We can't let that slide. I can't let myself slide. I'm dead, dude. I'm literally stuck. Yes! Wait.
No one will let the pooping stop.
What the signal? Happened to everything. Are we great? We're gonna make Roblox better with this?
No, we are not.
What? I'm the king of the king, so what?
Whoa!
Yes or no? Should we press yes or no?
Of course, no.
Okay, sure. It should always be
Whoa!
everything is
Whoa!
Poop the bread. It's poop the pixel bread. A
Oh.
pizza. It pooped so much stuff. Today it's National Poop Day.
What is National Poop Day? And just look at the farm we already made, guys.
Totally not made from conveyor belt poop.
Yeah, and did you know that I was screen recording?
Me too.
Actually,
Look. Do you see that?
uh,